What's going on, YouTube? This past week I didn't post on Friday because I had an entirely different video planned and I was about 90% done with it, and it had to do with heat pressing and t-shirts, stuff like that, and I wasn't able to do it because the control box on my heat press went out and I had to order a new one. And I've been super busy recently, just pressing a whole bunch of t-shirts. It's kind of my new thing right now. Since I was waiting for the part that I needed to come in, I was able to finish some 3D modeling. So this video is going to be about 3 hours of 3D modeling, time lapsed into 3 minutes. This is the first model I did. Well, this is the first of this one. I call it the Joy-Con 2.0 because I already made a Joy-Con video. I think it was my second video. Check it out if you haven't. But I really like this one a lot more. It's more simple. You just plop it in there and it gets real stuck. And the reason why I'm not gonna post this one is because it has no buttons on the top. So, I'm still a rookie at this. But, I'm going to be learning a lot. I always learn new things. I'm probably going to get into 3D sculpting. But I was thinking of just, making like a hole right here and then putting some buttons in there so you can press the buttons. But I ended up making 2 other models that are pretty cool. One of them does not have this center stick right here because I know a lot of people really don't like this control. Me personally, this was my favorite Nintendo control, but a lot of people don't like it. I made one without the center and closed these 2 grips even closer, and another one that looks pretty much like this, just you're able to press the buttons at the top. So if you would like this one though, just let me know. I have no problem with uploading it to Thingiverse or GrabCAD, my mini factory. It doesn't really matter to me, it's just that you can't press the top buttons. That's why I didn't think it was a good idea to even upload it. And I'm gonna leave the links to that in the description below. And hopefully you guys like this video. The 3D models that I used to remix my control was this single Joy-Con grip by Halasox, and I found this on Thingiverse, and the other is a Nintendo 64 controller by Guate Nordby, and that is on GrabCAD. I will be sure to put the links in the description below. 99% done with your 3D print and you run out of filament and have to use some leftover that you find around. I did this 3D print on the lowest fast settings on the Creality slicer. I also put the feed rate up to 140%. I do this just so I can test my 3D prints.